Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Crafting a delicious vegan fruitcake is surprisingly simple. You can enjoy a rich, moist, and wonderfully festive treat that absolutely everyone can savor, regardless of dietary preferences. This special recipe expertly skips traditional eggs and butter, ensuring a delightful texture and deep flavor profile without any compromise. Get ready to bake a plant-based masterpiece. Soaking your dried fruit truly is the secret to achieving a super moist and intensely flavorful cake. You can use a variety of liquids, like a fragrant fruit juice, some strong cold tea, or even a dash of plant-based rum for an extra kick. Allowing the fruit to plump up overnight ensures they infuse the cake with incredible juiciness. This step cannot be skipped. Creating your vegan batter starts with an ingenious trick. Use a simple mix of flaxseed meal and water to create a perfect flax egg. For richness, substitute traditional dairy butter with a neutral vegetable oil or a good quality vegan margarine. Gently combine all your prepared ingredients, including the soaked fruit, for a tender and delicious crumb. This careful mixing prevents overdevelopment. Bake your fruitcake low and slow in the oven for an extended period, ensuring thorough and even cooking throughout. A cooler oven temperature is key, as it effectively prevents the cake from drying out too quickly and becoming crumbly. For truly optimal flavor and texture, allow your beautiful cake to mature for 2 to 3 weeks if you can resist it. Patience brings a better cake. Once your fruitcake has completely cooled and matured, you can decorate it beautifully with a simple citrus glaze or a scattering of toasted nuts. For an extra touch of elegance, a brush of warm apricot jam brushed over the top adds a lovely, subtle shine. Serve generous slices plain, or enhance the experience with a dollop of your favorite vegan cream. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.